Hello friends, my name is Isan J. Patel. In this video, I will show you the basics of PHP. So we will discuss the basic requirements to learn the PHP language. You should have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. HTML is generally used for designing a websites and web application, and CSS is used for styling the HTML. So first of all, we will discuss what is a PHP. PHP stands for a hypertext preprocessor. PHP is a server-side scripting language, which means it is executed at a server side rather than client side. For example, a user sends a request to the server, such as to perform the addition of two number. For example, the a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and the output will be stored in the c. So c is equals to a plus b. Is this script are performed at the server side rather than client side, so it is a more secure language. PHP is an open source language, so you don't need to pay money for using that. So it is one of the major advantage of PHP. You can use it free of cost. PHP is used to create a dynamic web application, which means you can create a dynamic web application. PHP is a more secure language because the server scripts are executed at a server side rather than client side. PHP is easy to use and learn, which means it is really easy and to create various different types of script and easy to learn if you know the basics of programming such as C or C++. PHP provides various inbuilt functions using which we can establish a PHP application connection to the database, using which we can insert the record in the database, retrieve the record from the database, delete the record from the database, and update the record in the database. So it will using which we can create a dynamic web application. Database connectivity is one of the important part of PHP. So we will discuss more about this topic in later video. PHP is a loosely typed language. Loosely typed simply means like all other programming language such as C, C++, we don't need to specify the type of variable. In PHP, we will declare the variable as following: the variable name, variable name, value, hello. That's it. PHP will detect the data type automatically based on the value. So it is one of the major advantage of PHP. PHP is widely used because PHP is a more secure language and open source language, so we don't need to pay, and it's more secure. Security is one of the most important concept in a big web application, large web application. PHP can be run on any web server such as Apache or IIS web server. Apache and IIS servers are one of the popular web server. To use a PHP, you must have at least one web server, but don't worry. We can download a third-party software such as a XAMPP or a WAMP to perform PHP script. So how to install a XAMPP or a WAMP server? So first of all, visit this link apachefriends.org/download.html. Download your suitable version. If you are using Windows, then download 32-bit. It's a 5.5 5.5.38 version. I recommend this version. If you are using a 32-bit operating system, then download 32-bit. If you are using a Linux, then download from here. If you are using a Apple Macintosh, then download from here. If you are using any other operating system, so there is a WAMP software are available for that. You can search in Google free download WAMP. you can also download a WAMP. So I already downloaded that, so I am not going to download it. I put the download link in the description so you can easily download the XAMPP server. After installation of a XAMPP server, just run the XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL server. That's it. So let's start. XAMPP control, open the XAMPP control panel, then start Apache and MySQL server. Okay, to verify the installation of a XAMPP server, just turn on any browser and type a local host. So I already started. If you see this page, then you have successfully installed a XAMPP server. If you see any error message such as a web page not found, web app unable, you see a 404 error message, then your installation failed. If you have any query, you can send me mail on isanpatel671@gmail.com, or you can also post a comment below this video. Feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, please subscribe.